Clean your area. I'll try to slide that bad boy on there. Like that. Trying to dry it off so I can tighten it on there good. All right, so you see right here, look at that glass right there, it's empty. Come up here, this nozzle, and start pouring our oil until we see it to the F line. Then I'm gonna run the bike for a little while, watch it go down, and top it off. We love being grateful for our Savior Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. Amen.